friends, Jai Hind. New to SEO and don't know where to begin? This is for you. This is a 10-day SEO course for beginners designed to take you step by step from the basics to real-world SEO skills. Each day focuses on one clear concept, making SEO simple, practical and easy to follow, even if you're starting from zero. What you will learn on day 1 and 2. Most people fail at SEO because they skip the basics. SEO helps your website appear on Google through crawling, indexing, and ranking. Organic results earn visibility. Paid results buy it. Keywords are what people search for and they come in short and long forms. Understanding search intent matters. Practice by analyzing top ranking pages and finding 10 niche keywords with their intent. What you will learn on days 3 and 4. Ranking isn't about keywords, it's about intent. Google ranks pages that match what users actually want, not just high volume terms. Learn why intent matters more, how to analyze top ranking pages, and what content Google prefers. Then master on-page SEO by optimizing titles, meta descriptions, headings, keyword placement and URLs. Practice by optimizing one page properly. What you will learn on day 5 and 6. Great SEO content isn't written for Google, it's written for people. Learn how to write SEO-friendly content without keyword stuffing, improve readability and optimize images. Then build a strong technical foundation by improving site speed, mobile usability, indexing and sitemaps. Practice by writing one optimized blog and checking your site's performance. What you will learn on days 7 and 8 SEO isn't just content, it's structure and authority. Learn how internal linking and site structure help search engines understand and rank your pages. Then dive into off-page SEO by understanding backlinks, link quality versus quantity, and safe link building methods. Practice by adding internal links and finding real backlink opportunities. What you will learn on day 9 and 10. SEO gets real when it drives local traffic and measurable growth. Learn how local SEO and Google business profiles help you rank in nearby searches. Then move into tracking and scaling with Search Console, analytics and clear KPIs. Finish by building a simple 3-month SEO roadmap you can actually follow. Stop scrolling for a second. Like this video, comment your thoughts, share it with others and subscribe for more useful content.